In today's video, I will teach you how to turn a photo into a coloring page using Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea, then click File and Open, then select and open the photo that you want to turn into a coloring page. Now we're going to convert the photo into a vectorized coloring page. To do this, go to Image, then select Vectorized Bitmap. A window with various settings will appear. This tool will help you turn your photo into a vectorized outline suitable for coloring. Now we're going to adjust the vectorization options. For the colors option, choose the number of colors. For a coloring page, you can use between 4 to 20 colors. Fewer colors will create simpler, larger sections, while more colors add detail. And for reduce noise, this option helps reduce small and unnecessary details. It's often best to keep it off for more control. For method, set this to photo to work best with photographic image. And for coloring book, enable this to group tiny areas into larger, more colorable sections. This is essential for a clean and easy to color page. And for polygon and roughness, choose to simplify the shapes. Increasing roughness will make the area smoother and less detailed. Now configure what you want in the final image. For fill, uncheck this to avoid filled areas, focusing on outlines. For stroke, enable this to create the outlines for your coloring page. And for labels, enable this to add color labels or numbers to the areas, creating a color by number effect. Now we're going to finalize and review the vectorized image. Review the settings to make sure the outlines look clear and clean. Then adjust the number of colors, roughness, and other settings as needed. And once you're satisfied, click OK to apply the vectorization. And you can further edit the lines using the eraser tool or brush tool if there are unwanted details or if you want to emphasize certain parts of the image. And once you're satisfied, you can now export your image. To export as a PDF for printing, go to File, then Export As, then PDF. Then adjust the settings if necessary, then click Save. This is great for creating printable coloring pages. And if you prefer other formats, choose PNG for regular image use or SVG for a vector file. By following these steps, you can easily turn a photo into a fun and customizable coloring page in Photopea. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.